welcome to today's lesson. My name is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to look at Odo Nsor rhythm. It is mostly used by Nana Padu and some great musicians in Ghana. We are going to deal with Odo Nsor rhythm. We have done Yamponsa, we have done Sichi, we have done Dagomba, and now we are going to look at Odo Nsor. Odo Nsor can be played in any key, and because we are beginners, we are going to play Odo Nsor at C major. We are going to play it at C major. So stay tuned, and don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and hit on the notification button so that you'll be updated anytime I upload a video. Let's begin today's lesson. Now we are going to use this C7. Now you may ask, how are you going to place your fingers on C7? Now at your usual C major, this is our usual C major. Now you put your forefinger on the third fret on the G string, that is B flat, and it makes it B flat. It makes it C7, dominant 7th, C7, good. And then we will use F major chord like this. This is our usual F major that we know. F major, okay. So these are the only two chords we are going to use to play the Odo Nsor rhythm. Let me repeat. I said we are going to use which chords? Good. C7, very good. And then which other chord? That's it, F. Yes. So place your hand on C7 and let me see. No. Your fourth finger should be on the third fret on the G string here. Your fourth finger should be here. So with your usual C major, put your fourth finger on the third fret on the G string. So you have something like this. This is a C7. What you did earlier on was you placed your hand like this. This is C9, and this is not what we are going to use. Okay, we are going to use C7 and then F major. Very good. Now let's look at our finger. My right finger, I'm going to pick with my thumb and then my first finger. So it's like this. I will do something like this. Okay. So hold the C, this is C, this is C, play them together. Thumb, first finger, then you go to F, your thumb. Then you do hammer on, you hammer from C to D, then you play the E. Okay. Okay, so let's put them together. Let's put them together. It's very simple, very slow. Odo Nsor is a very nice rhythm and very simple. So it's like this. Okay, so check closer to my left. So it's like this: C7, then F, it's not the only song that Odo Nsor uses to play. We have this song like Mefumatika jamwa jusia fo miya dia muda. Mefumatika hope you have seen that song. Me umadika jamwa busia fwe miare amunjemi. Me umadika jamwa busia miare amunjemi. Ow! So you can use to play a lot of songs. So as beginners, take your time. Then you want me to take it very slow. I said it's very simple. C7, C7, your usual C, then you put your forefinger on the third fret on the G string. Okay, you have C7. Then we will use F major. So on my right hand picking, we have something like this. I hope it is very clear. So it goes on sequentially like that until the song finishes or completes. Don't think about soloing at this time. Soloing is not your problem at this time. We are dealing with rhythm. Okay, so that is Odo Nsor. And I want you to take your time and then practice this seriously. Take all my lessons very seriously. And then if you have not subscribed up until now, do so. Subscribe. I want you to share the videos to all your friends. Invite all your friends to come on board. Let other people enjoy, to come and benefit the high life lessons we are having on YouTube. On this note, I will end here with today's lesson. You'll meet next time for another wonderful lesson. Thank you.